GCSE Biology. Welcome. Are you excited for a fun learning session? Make sure you have your book and a pen before we start. Today you are going to learn about populations. Ecosystems. Abundance is the amount of something in a given area. The population size of an organism. For examples, how many frogs in a pond? An ecosystem is all the organisms and the environment in which they live. Groups of the same species of animals form populations within the ecosystems. All the populations of organisms that live and interact within an ecosystem form a community. Each population lives in a particular habitat within the ecosystem. The animals and plants within an ecosystem all rely on each other for resources. They are all interdependent. This diagram shows the difference between a population, a community and an ecosystem. Food webs can be used to show interdependent relationships within a community. This diagram shows a food web that might occur. Producers are organisms that use photosynthesis or similar processes to make their own food. Primary consumers, these are the organisms that eat the producers. They are herbivores. Herbivores are animals that only eat plants. Primary consumers are often prey, animals eaten by other animals. Secondary consumers are animals that feed on primary consumers. These animals are either carnivores, they only eat meat, or they are omnivores, organisms that eat both meat and plants. They are often both predators, animals who hunt other animals for food, and prey. Tertiary consumers are animals that feed on primary and secondary consumers. These animals are either carnivores, they only eat meat, or they are omnivores, organisms that eat both meat and plants. They are often both predators, animals who hunt other animals for food, and prey. Top predator is the animal that has no predators. It will often prey on all the other organisms in its ecosystem. We use sampling to find out or estimate the numbers of organisms present in a given area. Often quadrats are used. A quadrat is a square frame divided into smaller squares. Populations can be estimated by taking random samples with the quadrat. The findings are then calculated using the following formula. The population size equals the number of organisms in all the quadrats multiplied by the total area where the organisms live divided by the total area of the quadrats.